How to fix something went wrong problem on Messenger application. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of Messenger. So someday you might want to see the videos but it is showing something went wrong on there. Then how can you solve the very problem is, the very first step is to launch your Google Play Store. After you go there on the top search bar, you can simply search for Messenger right there. So here if you see any update option available, then do update it. Since we don't have any, then our Messenger is perfectly fine in case of updation and installation. So we have already installed it. Now just go on the Messenger and long press on the app from outside. On the top right side you will see there is an eye icon. Just tap on it. Now make sure you have granted all the permissions right here and also tap on the notifications option, which is also allowed. Now go down and tap on storage option. Clear the cache and clear all the data. And after you do that, go back and go on the phone setting. And after you do this, what you need to do is turn your airplane mode on. And after doing that, you can turn your Wi-Fi on again for a new time and try to log into your Messenger application again. And now your problem might have already been solved. So this is how you can solve the problem. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.